guys, what's this is stories by Ishan, and today we are doing the Wimpy Kid Do It Yourself book, and this it looks so great, but I bought it in paperback because that hard one was so costly. So let's start it now. Okay, so this is the starting, and we have to draw our own cartoon picture here. I draw mine, so you can draw yours. And I pause this, and it's actually, if you were gonna be maroon for the rest of your life, what would you want to have it? I would take my Triclopiacer and Need for Speed and Roblox, and I would take songs. Okay, so this is the personality test. So what's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is zebra. Okay, in the personality test page, you can write your favorite. It says something so that you have to write. You see? So that's the personality test page. And now we are going to the next page. This is unfinished comics. He says, "Gee, look at our cat. Dad, he sure looks scared." He's not scared. He's frozen stiff, and I told you like a billion times not to leave him up overnight. You say he's literally taking it. And Zoe Mama, and this I wrote it. Yep. Okay, so this is the What's in Your Brain. I thought to skip the Make Your Own Comics and What's in Your Brain. I actually spent the most in school, and yep, and sleep. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this is predict your future. So we had to select where we live in, and so we have. So I selected, and this is my mom did this for me, and we have just a normal house, and my dad comic. You see a color comic. You see Trevor the talking bird, Jared the green bean, Creighton the comedian, Girls Rule, Jerome the man with incredibly red lips, and you see he has red lips. You see, and amazing fart police. Why did they wrote it as a fart police? I don't know, but you see. Okay, this is what we saw on the first ugly Eugen. Actually, my name is just Eugen, and maybe you should start rubbing dirt all over your face. You see, 12 hours later, he turns quick. And Action Fighters by Rowley. It's the last working book which you had to write your diary. I don't know what you had to write. Now you have to start writing this full thing. So now this is end of this book. Now let's do something. This is a great book and it's with more event, and I like this book. I enjoyed it during the lockdown, and it's enough. So let's do something interesting in this book. It's list your injuries or nothing. Okay, so we have to for my first injury right over here. Hurt. Wait, that's wrong. Okay. Okay, so that's the next one. Okay, so I listed my injuries and stick in there is here 10, and I tripped and I got here one injury here, and then tripped by a log, and that's it. That's it. Guys, I recommend this book to you. It is really interesting, and this is a nice book during the lockdown, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. Smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, and then bye.